What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the master slave mode with your BD20s. Now if you wanted to control multiple lights at once without a DMX controller, you can always use the master slave function. You can actually do this in a couple of different ways. So one way being by using a DMX cable to connect your lights together, and the second way is by using the wireless DMX feature. So if we go to one of our lights and turn on the wireless DMX feature, you're gonna see this light pop up, which is the wireless DMX signal. You can use this button here on the top to switch between different signals which are color coded, and all you're gonna wanna do to connect more lights together is by setting them to the same wireless DMX signal color. So let's use this light here as our master light and set it up to a wireless DMX signal. For today, I'm gonna set it up to blue. I'm then gonna go to the slave light and turn on the wireless DMX mode. And I'm gonna use the button here on the second light to set it to the same wireless DMX signal of blue. So now if we go to our master light here and set it up to one of the auto modes, you'll then see the second light start to follow. If at first you're set to the DMX mode on your master light, but then switch to a different mode like the auto mode you're seeing here, you'll then see the wireless DMX signal on your master light flash red, while the wireless DMX signal on your slave light flashes green. So you can either use the menu buttons on your master light to switch the display of the lights in your chain, or you can use the wireless remote. Before using the wireless remote with your lights in master slave mode, we actually recommend going into the IR settings of your lights first. So on our master light, we're gonna go to the menu button and switch to the IR mode and make sure that it's set to IR on. Then we're gonna go to the IR mode on all of our slave lights and set it to IR off. This way the remote will work with our master light only, so if we accidentally point it to a slave light and change a feature, it won't throw off the lights in the rest of the chain. So now if I use my remote with the master light, you'll see that the slave light will start to follow. And like I mentioned, we can also link our lights together by using a DMX cable. So if I'm using this light as my master light again, I can take my cable and plug the male end into the DMX out, then plug the other end into the DMX in on my next light. And if you want to set up even more lights, you're gonna follow the same process. And now if I use my remote again on the master light, you'll see that the other light starts to follow. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up the master slave function on your BD20 lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.